my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, y'all, it's your boy Ellis 254, man, out here. Nighttime is the right time, summertime, because it's hot all the time. Been tinkering, doing a couple things, little nicks and knacks. You know what I'm saying? Got the license plate on the C10, Heartbeat of America, Chevrolet, baby. So when I was back in the truck out of the garage the other day, I kind of got some paint on it. It wasn't like the hard part of the garage. It was like this part right here. So kind of rubbed the paint off of there, got on there. In my ignorance and my quickness to try to fill it up or fix it, I took a little SOS pad and I kind of scratched it up or whatever. So I mean, it's not terrible, but we're gonna see. I thought this would be a great opportunity to try the product from work, scratch remover. So that's exactly what we copped. Meguiars scratch eraser kits, fine scratch and blemish remover. And basically directions say always use cold surface and always use on a cold surface. Dispense a small amount of product onto a foam pad. Then you work it into the surface, reapplying as needed, remove with a microfiber. So in the box, it comes with a microfiber, as you can see here, the bottle, and it also comes with this pad, which we have already attached to our drill. So I'm going to attempt it on the spots. Let's see here. Probably this right here, because this is the worst spot. Let's see if we can't fix a little mix up. So we also got it a little bit up there, but this is the most noticeable right here. So let's see what happens. All right, so of course this is my first time doing anything like this, so it may or may not come out all right, but you know, this is supposed to be a product that the novice can use. So you take a microfiber to take it away. It also says reapply as needed. So I think it looks a little better. Let's hit it again. All right, so now after a couple more passes, I mean, it's still, I think you can still you can lightly see them, but they're a lot harder to see. They're not as pronounced as they were up here. See up here, you can see how, well, you can. It's kind of hard to tell, but I feel like down here it's better than it was. Like I said, they were definitely more pronounced. Now, not as much. As you can try it 1 or 2 more times. What we got to lose. Alright, so now if you're looking at it, you can hardly see anything. Light this camera up. Okay, you can hardly see anything. I think it's safe to say it did a good job. Like, especially up here. Like up here, it was worse, I feel. Up here, I was just a little bit more aggressive. I just kind of went for it, put a little bit more pressure. I feel like that came out probably better than down here, but it'll do it for me. So, if you were to ask your boy LS, would he recommend this Scratch X fine scratch blemish remover after doing something stupid or a little mishap? I'm gonna have to give it the green light, y'all. I have to give it a green light. So, till next time, it's your boy LS 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity or procrastination. Gone. Just like those scratches.